In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a listing Airbnb. This is a great time saver if you manage multiple similar spaces and want to keep your settings, photos, and details consistent. We'll walk through accessing your listing, creating the duplicate, and polishing the new version so it's ready to go live. Start by opening Airbnb in your web browser or launching the Airbnb app and sign in to your host account. Make sure you're using the account that manages the listing you want to copy so you'll see all the right options. Once you're in, head to the main menu and choose Listings. This is your control center for everything you host. Here you'll see a list of your properties. Find the listing you want to duplicate, ideally one that closely matches the new space you're setting up so the copy needs fewer edits. Open that listing, then look for the three-dot menu, sometimes called the More or Options menu. You might also see a button labeled Listing Options. Click it, and if you see Duplicate Listing, select it. When this option is available and you choose it, Airbnb will generate a copy of your existing listing, carrying over core details so you don't have to rebuild from scratch. With the duplicate created, it's time to personalize the new version. Update the listing title to clearly distinguish it from your original. Think of a concise, searchable phrase that highlights what's unique about this space. Refresh the photos so they accurately represent the new unit. Prioritize bright, well-composed images that reflect the current furnishings and layout. Adjust pricing to fit the new space and market conditions, and set availability so your calendar reflects the dates you actually want to offer. Confirm that amenities are accurate. Remove anything that doesn't apply and add anything that does. Revise the description to match the new space's features and vibe, aiming for clarity and accuracy. Finally, review your house rules so they align with how you want guests to use this particular listing. Before you go live, review the duplicated listing carefully from top to bottom. Pretend you're a guest seeing it for the first time. Do the photos, title, pricing, availability, amenities, description, and house rules all match this specific space. Look for any leftover references to the original listing that need to be removed. When everything looks right, click Publish. Your new listing will go live using the structure you duplicated and the updates you just made. That's it. Your duplicated listing is ready to attract guests with far less setup time.